What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another special unboxing for you guys. Like I said, I'll be making more videos and I am going to start today with another special video for you guys. I have my friend Dante and Jesse here, and today I have an item that is really powerful and I cannot bring it by myself. I need Jesse's and Dante's help. Are you guys ready for this? Let's see whatever we got to come to us right away. Yo, it's here. The way I needed their help was for them being giving me, how to say the word, Marshall, whatever it is called, support. And I have it here, the sign. This is backwards. It's the Cynosa gaming keyboard. And let's put some facts, Dante.
Alright, so this keyboard has a plastic body, it's RGB, and it's water resistant. I think that's amazing, and I would really recommend this product.
What about you, Jesse?
Like Dante said, it's water resistant and it has a really good touch to it. It's not like normal keyboards and you can really feel it. If you're someone that doesn't really use keyboards a lot, this would probably be something you should buy.
Well, okay guys, so they gave you some interesting facts. I hope you guys understand it, but for this keyboard, like if you're a gamer, you're not gonna like it probably because it doesn't have that mechanical or technical feeling, but this is a keyboard for if you don't care about, like you do gaming, you don't care about what you're using, that type of keyboard, or you can even get an office keyboard. But let's get into opening it, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's begin opening it. You know, I gotta flip the, I know. Okay, buddy.
Wow.
So are you guys ready to see this?
Whoa.
Are you sure we can see it? Let's see it.
Okay,
I don't know.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
2,
3,
2,
1. So, you guys can see it.
probably like
This is the Chroma keyboard. I mean, Cynosa Chroma keyboard. I said that so wrong. Okay. So let's just take it out now for Jesse, though. Okay, let me get this out. Okay, and like we don't need that. We don't need the box, so. Okay, a lot of cardboard still on it. Let me just do this. I don't want to damage anything. So, yes, you might want to.
Oh, I can't help to notice, but they do give you this so you won't damage the tip of it. And then
I always throw it away, but today I have a keyboard, so I really don't need this. So I'm actually gonna throw it away. Like the last video, I needed it again for some reason, but this video I do not need it. Yeah, you wanna eat that probably? Okay. So this is a better overload. So like, well, I the thing I like about Razer, they give you this thing for your wire, because whenever I have wires, I'm not that guy who's really deep and wants to keep his desktop really nice. And like, I always prefer these things. So you can see right here, it closes up your wires. It's really cool. And then they have this thing for your whatever this USB thing is. It protects your plug-in. Yeah, whatever they just said.
the computer.
Yeah. It protects it, and another fun fact. Basically, the fun fact was that it's waterproof, and I don't know if I'm gonna try that, but let's put this back on. Okay, now I'm gonna take off this. Jesse Big Brain took off the cover. I'm sorry I couldn't do, but just needed it. I know these guys really want to click it, so I'm gonna let him click it and see how they think of it. But he already has, so I know what he thinks of it. He told me secretly that he does not like it because why did you not like the keyboard?
I didn't like the filter.
I thought it was gonna be way worse, but if it was my last option, I'd probably go with this keyboard. I mean, it's not, I would not keep it for my personal use, but I will try out gaming with it. Maybe I make a video of that, or we could have like Jesse review it more for us. So we're gonna give you a better look of it. It looks like this, but I don't know if you guys can see it.
To get you guys a better taste of what it actually feels like, it actually feels like an office keyboard. You know, those like Dell keyboards.
Yeah.
So I opened the back of it. What were you saying?
We should do like honest thoughts about the keyboard.
Yeah. Okay. So first, let's go. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I guess, but let's turn this around. Yeah, turn this around. And how about you guys click it if you haven't, like, act like it's own game. So this is Jesse playing games. He plays Fortnite a lot with he has a PS4, but he uses the keyboard and mouse. Dante is a straight up PC gamer, so, but we'll be making a video because I'm switching to PC soon. I am pretty good at console, but I will be switching to PC. So what do you guys think about it?
So my honest opinions, I don't like it this much because, personally, I prefer NX ground switches. I prefer mechanical keyboards, and this is a membrane keyboard. And membrane keyboards, the actuation point is a lot deeper. It also looks, when you type, it feels really mushy, and I don't like the feel of mushy keyboards. So honestly, I don't like it in my opinion. If you are a hardcore gamer or you type a lot, you should probably use a mechanical keyboard. But if you don't really care and just use keyboard, then I prefer you just go ahead.
So, do you recommend this?
Like 1 out of 10, I would give this a 4.
What about you, Jesse?
Okay, so I kind of like the keyboard. Like, I even bought it. Like, I thought it was a good keyboard at first. But then when I started using it, I didn't like it that much because it got boring and it didn't have that feel like a membrane.
How long did you use it?
A mechanical. I used it for like a week and then I stopped.
So 1 out of 10, how much would you give it?
Dude, I would give it like a solid 3.5. 3.
So like you would not recommend this computer at all, right?
I would for people that haven't used keyboard and mouse.
Yeah. So my personal thoughts, I would never use this computer. I mean,
Gaming.
laptop. Yeah,
Keyboard.
I would never use this keyboard for gaming, especially because I like mechanical keyboard. Like us two like mechanical keyboard or tactical keyboard. Only because we need to know where we're clicking. Like I have no idea what I'm clicking and I don't have that feel. So like when you're playing a game, like if you're in a tournament, you have no idea what you're clicking and you can mess up in many various ways. But I would use this as an office keyboard because like office keyboard, you're not gaming or just fine you mess up, but here's a better overlook on it. So yeah, and you can open it from the back always. So like it gives that type of feeling that it is a office keyboard, but this keyboard is not that bad, but I would not recommend it for gaming. So from out of 0 to 10, I'll give it a solid 4, or like 3.5, 4, like what they said.
And also it has speech on the back, so maybe that's a plus. Like
it's good, and there's one more.
It's like a better version of an office keyboard, but then like
at the same time, it's way too soft.
You can also use a gaming keyboard, but like I will be showing you a mechanical keyboard right now that is much better. And like
we'll show you guys the difference in the sound difference.
Yeah. So let's see if I get that mechanical keyboard right here. I need you guys to pop again. You guys better put your fingers this out. I'm gonna pop your head off. 3, 2. I said 3, 2, 1. Here's my keyboard. This is a better mechanical keyboard. It's from Logitech. I have no idea what the number is because I just use the keyboard for gaming. But me and Jesse and Jonathan really love this keyboard. Alright guys, so we're going to give you a better overlook on it. It does have a thing so you can open it from the bottom of your choice. I normally have it open sometimes, but like sometimes not. But here's a better overlook. I'm going to close the bottom for now. Here's a better overlook on it. It's pretty better, like it's not as big as that one. That's what I like about it. It's really clicky. And then it also comes with this pad for like the armrest for gaming. So what do you guys think about it? I know Jesse will I don't care about that, but Jesse will always click his keyboard, even if this is not on, like if this, like he will just click it, and then Dante. So what do you think about this keyboard?
I love this keyboard. In my opinion, I would buy it. Like I was going to buy it this one time. And I really like the sound of the keyboard. It is blue switches. I'll show you that right now. Really nice blue switches.
Here,
right
you guys can see the blue switch. Right there in the corner. I'm not giving you the best view, but the best I can give you. Let's put that escape key back on because I don't want to try to escape the video just yet.
And my personal thoughts, I like this keyboard. It has aluminum body. Blue switches are good to me. I like them because they're clicky.
Not your thing.
And they have a nice feel. Although I just do not like how slow compared to other switches. Like the activation point is much longer compared to like silver switches where you can just click and it's responsive right away. These ones will take a little bit longer, but you probably won't notice it. So honestly, I would give this a higher rating, maybe like an 8 or even 9. So
very powerful response. Yes. Well, I give it about a 9 because, well, I'm the guy, like I'm a ducky person, like him and me are ducky people, like they like little keyboards because, I mean, it's more easier to reach, like numbers, but this keyboard is great if you have like long fingers, like he has ginormous hands, so, and he's a street athlete, so. If you guys want me to make a better video on this, like tell you more, like a review, I'll have them come over again, and we can make a much better video where we tell about more functions. This has microphone, it has more USB ports, like if I want to connect something with the keyboard, I can connect it. I can do a lot of things with this keyboard. It's mechanical, much better keyboard. I love playing Fortnite on this, and that's about it. But that keyboard, like,
I have a rating.
that's like
if you were wondering what my opinion was, my rating on this was it would probably be a solid 8 like them. But
Last thing, opinion, what do you think about Jesse? I know you don't like this keyboard.
no, I don't. Oh, and leave your opinions in the comments down below.
Yeah.
We would appreciate
And guys,
it.
make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Like always, that really helps me encourage you to make more videos. And guys, well, Jonathan, you have a Ducky keyboard, right?
Yeah, so I have a Ducky keyboard. It's actually Ducky and Rolino. I think there's like 2 keyboard companies. They made a keyboard together, and it's an MX round keyboard, and that was much more than this Razer keyboard.
Yeah.
But again, it's all about preference. So
My mom even has a mechanical keyboard. She uses it for her office work because she works in an office, and I would prefer mechanical keyboard for an office. I don't like the soft feeling because you're working and you're like, what am I clicking? You feel like it's like the table right here. So like clicking while I'm doing this sounds pretty similar. So yeah, I wouldn't get this keyboard, guys. So that's the video now. Comment down below if you guys want me to make more videos like this. Tell me your opinion on this, and I'll be inviting Jesse, and we'll make some more videos together. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and let your dad out in.
Oh, and also like and subscribe and comment what you want to see next.
Alright, bye.